Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to redeem and use a Roblox gift card. I got a Roblox gift card recently and immediately tried redeeming it inside the app, which, yeah, it doesn't work. So here's what actually works. I opened my browser instead and went straight to roblox.com/redeem. Once the page loads, you'll need to log into your Roblox account first. After that, there's a simple box where you can enter the code from your gift card. I usually double check the code before submitting because one wrong character in Roblox just stares at you like you did something wrong. Then I agreed to the terms, tap redeem, and the balance was instantly added to my account. From there, you can use it to buy Robux or premium features directly in Roblox. Honestly, it's a super quick process once you know you have to use a browser instead of the app. Think of it like unlocking bonus currency, just without the dramatic game sound effects. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.